Are you a startup owner who is currently working on your ideas alone? If you are, do you experience this problem? You know exactly what you need to do for your business, but you struggle to get started on it. Great. We are currently working on a solution to help people like you being able to get things done and get a startup business off the ground. We created a small survey to validate our idea, and if you are keen to help us, click the link below. It will take you to a Google Form survey. It should only take 3 minutes to fill out the survey, and your opinion is valuable in helping us justify our idea. Thank you for stopping by, and I'm looking forward to hearing your opinion.